Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how I made a faux box of chocolate for a Valentine's Day decor using these supplies from the Dollar Tree. I start with two of the wood heart signs. This is going to be the top and the bottom of my faux candy box. And I just need to kind of make them 3D. To do that, I'm using those little wood cubes that you get at the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree, and I'm just gluing them all around, adding more hot glue to the top of them, and sandwiching them in between the two wood hearts like that. So I have the perfect kind of frame for the candy box. Now to cover it, I wanted to look plush and fabric, so I'm using just red fabric from the Dollar Tree. They do roll this up quite a bit though, so I'm going to give it a quick iron first to get a lot of the wrinkles out, so I'll have more of a smooth surface covering the faux candy box. So I want to kind of sandwich it in there like that. I think that's going to be really cute. And then we can decorate it and make it look really kind of vintage for Valentine's Day. To attach it, I just use a Mod Podge all over the wood heart and lay the fabric right on top. Trying not to use too much. I didn't want a lot of bleed through. And then I'm going to wrap it around to the back. I use hot glue on the back a little bit stronger to be able to pull it taut. And I don't really care too much what the back looks like anyway. I'm going to be using this as on its side, stood up. And I kind of cut it there at the bottom to get the V shape. And I'm just trying to wrap it and hot glue it to pull it taut. I also cut it here on the top for the top part of the heart. And again, just hot gluing it to the edges of that wood sign. I can always cut off the excess fabric once I get it good and covered. And that is what I do. I just go around and cut off any excess fabric, make sure everything is secure. And I did kind of need a little bit more coverage right here at the V part. So I just kind of cut off a strap and kind of made that work. Now, for this, I'm actually just using some white fabric. I like to use whatever I can find from the Dollar Tree. This is like just one of their white bags. It's kind of a canvas bag, and I just wanted basically the white fabric on it and to cover up the back just to make it look a little bit better. So I just kind of sketched out on there how big of a heart I would need to cover up what was going on down there at the back. And I'm just going to simply glue that over where the fabric was on there just to kind of clean it up a little bit here on the back of it. I know you can't see back there. And then it's time to decorate it. I made sure that it was good and smooth and everything's down. I thought some of the doilies from the Dollar Tree would look really vintage and cute on this. I know they have heart-shaped ones, and I think that'd be even cuter if you can find them. All I could find was the round ones, so we're going to make it work. So I'm just going to use some Mod Podge on the back of the paper doily, and I'm going to glue that onto the red fabric. I decided it was a little too see-through, so I'm going to use a second one on top of it to make it really pop with a bright white, and it'll kind of give me like a ruffled edge with two of them on top of each other. And I thought we could decorate it with some gold touches. So these are the gold stickers from the Dollar Tree that are kind of like a flower. They're kind of gemstones. They're peel and stick, and so that is what I did. You'll see here in a little bit that you should use hot glue for this step because I did have to go back and kind of fix those because they did not want to stay stuck to the fabric. Didn't really think about that when I put them on originally. I wanted to see if I could use that gold love sign from the Dollar Tree, but I ended up thinking it wasn't the right shape for this. I did just use a wood block there on the back, so this will stand up on its own, kind of on the side. And I decided to switch it up with one of these Dollar Tree signs. These come in like a 2-pack, but it's red and gold. It says "You are so loved," and I think it goes perfect with the theme. Just needs a little bit of bling here to cover the hanger hole, so I used another one of those stickers. Now the next day I came and all of my stickers were falling off, so no big deal. I just went back with hot glue and secured them. I should have known attaching it to fabric, but I think it turned out so fun for Valentine's Day. A little faux box of chocolate. Unfortunately, there's no chocolates inside. For more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.